Period we had seen the adjustment related to managers commission. So method of calculating managers commission. There are two methods of calculating commission: on profits before charging such commission and on profit after charging such commission. Okay, now we are doing the problem. So up to we wrote all the item. Now only two items remaining. Two managers commission. So to managers commission. To managers commission. So credit side total how much? Credit side total, Karthik?
1,01,000.
1,01,000. 1,01,000. Then managers commission, how to calculate? So we got 71,000.
73.
Okay, 73,550. 73,550 we got notional profit. 73,550 into 73,550 into 10% of net profit after charging. So after charging such a commission, that will be the manager's commission. Okay. Okay, point figure will come. So a round figure only we have to write. And remaining to net profit. Net profit transfer to capital. Net profit transfer to capital. Capital account. Managers commission, Karthik?
6,681.8.
6,600 and 6,686. 6,686.3 to come. So round figure. 73,550 into 10 by 110. 6,686.3 will come. So round figure 86. 0.5 above means you can take 87. So the net profit, it is very easy. 73,550. So you look at up to till here we got 73,550. From that you have to minus 6,686. Okay, so up to this we got 73,550. From that if you minus managers commission, then we will get net profit transfer to capital. So 66,864. So suppose if you are doing on the base of October means amount will change. Okay, so then also you will get the answer. So net profit also will change. Managers commission also, the amount will change. Next, balance sheet. Okay, understood? How to calculate managers commission? First, you have to calculate notional profit means net profit. That into after charging, so 10 by 110. Then net profit, from that amount you have to minus managers commission. Next, balance sheet liability. Balance sheet as on 31st March 2014. First, we have to look the trial balance. Cash in hand, it is given. So if you will write cash in hand, then you can write no any cash in hand 6,000. Here also bank overdraft we can write because first item it is there. $12,000. Then we will look at adjustment items. First, sundry debtors. Sundry debtors 80,000. Adjustment is there. Provision for doubtful debt. So less new provision for doubtful debt. New provision for doubtful debt. So it is given 2% on debtor. Already we calculated in the trade profit and loss account 1,600. No provision for discount on debtor. No further bad debt. Only one adjustment. 78,400. 79,80. Next, furniture and fixtures, that is fixed assets. Furniture and the fixtures. So you have to look any depreciation. Yes, depreciation is there. So furniture and fixtures 20,000. So less depreciation. You have to look at profit and loss account. Already we wrote plant and furniture and fixtures. Depreciation we wrote 5%. 1,000 already we wrote that you have to minus. Next, plant and machinery. So plant and machinery. Plant and machinery. So whenever you are writing plant and machinery, 1 lakh, add purchase 30,000. So 1 lakh 30,000 because machinery increased. Okay, we purchased machinery now, one more machinery. So machinery increased, less depreciation. So 1 lakh 30 already we wrote. Depreciation 7,350 now. Depreciation of plant and machinery. Profit and loss account. Yes. So 7,350. Okay. So 1 lakh. So 1,22,650. 1,22,650. 1,22,650. Okay. Planted. Whenever you write planted machinery, here purchase is there. First you have to add, then depreciation. Okay. Machinery now value is 1,30,000. From that you have to minus depreciation. Next, bills receivable, that is current assets. Bills receivable, no adjustment. Bills receivable 14,000. Bills receivable 14,000. Next, cash in hand already we wrote. Investment, no adjustment. That is fixed assets. Investment, motor car. Next, investment, no adjustments, 40,000. Motor car 51,000. Here also depreciation is there. you have to look in the profit and loss account. We wrote depreciation on motor car 5,100. 51,000. 45,900. So we'll get 45,900. 45,900. So 46. Okay, 51. Next you have to look motor car is depreciation. The next credit side you have to look bank overdraft capital. It is there that we will write bank overdraft if it is given. Creditors bills payable. Creditors bills payable. Sundry creditors. Sundry creditors 60,000. Sundry creditors 60,000. Bills payable. Bills payable. Bills payable 15,400. 15,400. Bills payable 15,400. Now capital we will write capital 2 lakh. Capital 2 lakh. So now you have to look at profit and loss account. Net profit 66,864. Add net profit 66,864. Okay, now you have to look at any drawings. No drawings. Adjustment also no drawings. No drawings.
Sir, 20,000 drawings.
It is there. 1 minute.
First,
Okay. Yes. 26,000. So 2,66,864 less drawings. 20,000. 2,46,864. Next, you have to look at each adjustment. First adjustment, closing stock. Closing stock 45,000. Next, provision for doubtful debt already we wrote. Depreciation we wrote. Machinery we wrote. Manager's commission outstanding. Managers commission outstanding. Managers commission liability. So amount you have to look in the 6686. Okay, you have to calculate the total. total will be 3,40,950. 3,40,950. Okay. Karthik?
Sir, for assets, I got different amount.
Different there.
Yes. I got 3,53,850.
3,53,850.
For liabilities, I got 3,40,950.
3,40,950. I think you didn't calculate asset. Is it correct? Okay, only one side. If it is the answer is correct, only one side you have to look. Net profit 68,500. Okay, so 2,68,500 and 2,48,500. So manager's commission 6,850. So furniture, plant and machinery, if you are writing 1,000, no problem. Otherwise 70,000, purchase 30,000. So 1 lakh, then 5,550. Okay, 70,000 and purchase. Otherwise, if you write a plant and machinery 1 lakh, it is included. Then no need to write separate. But for calculating depreciation, you have to write. $94,450. So you will get the final answer 3,42,750. I think 3,42,750. Okay. Now it is correct now. Okay, a machinery 30,000 was purchased on July 1st. So it is so we are preparing trial balance at the end only. So it is already included this one. So, but for calculating depreciation, 70,000 separate, full year we used, and 30,000 9 months. Asset side you got? Okay, no? Okay, suppose you look at, if the balance sheet is wrong, then we have to look adjustments. Next, sixth one. Correct now? Karthik?
No, sir, still assets some differences, sir.
Still. Next, sixth one. Okay. Prepare trading and profit and loss account and balance sheet of Miss Shine Limited. Trial balance adjustment. First trial balance we will look. Debtors, balance sheet asset, bad debt profit and loss account, trade expense profit and loss account, printing and stationery profit and loss account, rent rates and taxes profit and loss account, freight trading account, sales return trading account, motor car balance sheet asset, opening stock trading account, furniture balance sheet asset, purchases trading account, drawings balance sheet liability, investment balance sheet asset, cash in hand balance sheet asset, cash at bank balance sheet asset, bills payable balance sheet liability, creditors balance sheet liability, provision for bad debt, old provision, profit and loss account, return outward trading account, capital balance sheet liability, discount received profit and loss account credit side, interest received profit and loss account credit side, sales trading account. Then adjustments, closing stock 35,000, trading account credit side and balance sheet asset, depreciation charged on furniture, profit and loss account debit side, and from balance sheet from assets you have to minus. Further bad debt it is given, provision for doubtful debt it is given, then seventh adjustment, a discount on debtor also given. So all superstars on one string. Okay, further bad debt, new provision for doubtful debtor, provision for discount on debtor. Next, that we know that bad debt, add further bad debt, add new provision, less old provision, then separate to provision for discount on debtor. How to calculate the provision for doubtful debt? We know from sundry debtor, you have to minus further bad debt into percentage. How to calculate provision for discount on debtor? From debtor, you have to minus further bad debt. You have to minus provision for discount on debtor into percentage. Next, which one? Depreciation on motor car, profit and loss account debit side, from asset you have to minus interest on drawings. Okay, new adjustment, interest on drawings, profit and loss account credit side, it is calculated on the base of drawings. It is calculated on the base of drawings. Credit side and balance sheet, from capital you have to minus. Then rent rates and taxes outstanding, with that expense you have to add, and the balance sheet liability side. Okay, so next class we will do this problem. Okay, now only 4 minutes. So 3 o'clock, one more class is there. Attend the class. Thank you.